Okay, now let's turn it around. Back around where we can get it. Now what we want to do, we're going to put another washer, rubber washer, like this one. See it? Let me show you. Right here. Okay. Let me get it around so you can see it. Okay. You notice the bowl is kind of cracked. But remember, this is just to show you how it goes together. I'm not going to really use this toilet. Okay, we've got that one on there. Now let's put a metal washer on behind that. Now we've got another bolt here, which will bolt this to the tank itself. Okay, we've got that up there. Now let's give it a little extra tightening with the crescent wrench. You probably want to hold it from the inside. You can't see all the hand, but I'm holding it from the inside. Okay. Twist it. Tighten it. And again, you don't want to tighten it too tight. You see what happens when it's too tight. It's going to crack once. Okay. Now let's put the bottom on. You can't see. Let me give you a view of that. First, you see I put the rubber washer on. Now the metal washer. A bolt. Now, like a lot of other toilets and faucets, tubs, they're not all exactly made the same sometimes. You might get a kit that's a little different to hook up. But like I said, they come directions. Okay, that's tight enough. Okay, now we're going to lift it and put it on the bowl and hook it to the bowl. Okay, we have the tank ready to be put on top of the bowl. So let's just lift it and put it in place. And remember, if it's too heavy, get help. Okay. Now we've got it in place. See the bolt down at the bottom right here? See it? Coming through right here. Okay. A closer look at that. Okay. That's one side. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our washer, our one washer, right here, and a wing nut. I'll reach up under here, put our washer on, and in a minute we can put our wing nut on there. Okay, that's it. There you go. Just tighten it up on there. What's good about the ones with the wing nuts is normally you can tighten up with your hand. Okay, that was pretty tight. Not real tight. You gotta leave it loose so we have play. Put the other side on. You can't see. Let me put the other side on right now. Okay, now we've got them nice and snug. It's not having any leaks. Not unless the tank itself, where it's cracked, decides to start leaking. And if we have that problem, the solution to that is replace the tank. You can replace just the tank. What you'd have to do though is take the serial number off the tank so that it will match up with the bowl. But if you feel like you need a new toilet, go ahead and get your new toilet. speaking of new toilet, what we're going to do next is remove the toilet, the entire toilet, and replace it with another toilet. But in this case, what we're going to do is remove this one and put it back as if we went out and got a new toilet, just to show you how the process works. Now, let's cook our spot. Now the tank is finished filling with water. Let's flush it and see what we have. Do we have any leaks? Okay. Don't see any water coming out between the tank and the bowl itself. So it seems as though you've done a good job. What I like to do, sometimes you may have a small leak. Just check it pretty good with a flashlight. Look up under there, look between the crack. Okay?